If you're on the hunt for a liquid lipstick that delivers intense color and a velvet matte finish without the drying effect, this one might be just what you're looking for. I'm reviewing the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Icon Velvet Liquid Lipstick in the shade Fiyaproof 10 today. This maple red color is bold, rich, and perfect for those who want to make a statement with their lips. It's a 5.5 gram tube, and we're diving into what makes this liquid lipstick a standout in the beauty world. Now let's get into what makes this lipstick different from others out there. The first thing you'll notice is its whipped, creamy texture. The formula feels surprisingly lightweight when applied, which is great if you're someone who loves a matte finish but hates that dry, tight feeling that many liquid lipsticks can leave behind. Fenty's Icon Velvet formula aims to give you that velvety, soft finish without the uncomfortable dryness. It hugs your lips, leaving behind rich, high-impact color in just one swipe. I love that it's easy to apply precisely thanks to the doe foot applicator, which makes the application smooth and flawless even on the go. So I tested this during a busy workday, no touch-ups in between, just to see how it really holds up. The Fiyaproof 10 shade is a deep maple red, which complemented my complexion beautifully. The lipstick stayed in place, didn't fade, and I didn't experience any feathering or bleeding, even after lunch. If you're worried about it not lasting throughout the day, I can assure you this product does a great job staying put. However, I do want to mention that while the lipstick feels comfortable on the lips, the matte finish is definitely noticeable. If you prefer a glossier or hydrating feel, this might not be for you. But if you're after that bold, matte statement look, you'll be in love. Now let's break it down into some pros and cons. The pros? First off, the color payoff is amazing. What you see in the tube is exactly what you get on your lips. The formula is non-drying, which is huge for a matte liquid lipstick. I also love how easy the applicator is to use. It's perfect for a precise line. And of course, the staying power. This lipstick will stick around for hours, making it perfect for those who don't have time for frequent touch-ups. On the flip side, if you're not a fan of matte formulas, you might find this a little too dry for your taste. The formula is designed to stay matte, and stay put means it doesn't offer much moisture, so it could feel a little heavy after a few hours for some people. Is it worth the price? Absolutely, considering the quality of the product. For a high-end brand like Fenty Beauty, the price is fair when you compare it to similar high-end liquid lipsticks. You're paying for excellent performance, intense color, and comfort, features that stand out in a crowded market. If you're looking for something similar, but at a lower price point, there are a few liquid lipsticks out there that could work, but you might sacrifice some of the comfort or staying power this product offers. There are more affordable options, but they don't have that same high-impact velvet matte finish or the comfortable feel that Fenty's formula provides. As for build quality, the tube is sleek and sturdy, and the doe foot applicator feels solid. It's a reliable lipstick, perfect for carrying in your purse, and you won't need to worry about it leaking or breaking easily. In terms of longevity, this lipstick holds up for hours. Even with meals, it stayed intact, and there was no fading or patchiness. It's definitely a product you can trust for a long day without constant touch-ups. I do want to take a moment to talk about customer support though. I haven't personally had to reach out to Fenty Beauty for any issues with this lipstick, but given the brand's reputation for responsive customer service and great online reviews, you can feel confident that they would handle any concerns promptly. If you're ready to make a decision, my final verdict? This liquid lipstick is a hit. Fenty Beauty has nailed the formula for a comfortable, matte lipstick that actually feels good and delivers on its promises. If you're a fan of bold, rich shades that stay in place all day without the dryness, you'll love it. It's perfect for a night out, a long work day, or whenever you want that polished, confident look. Thank you for watching this review. If you're interested in picking up the Fenty Icon Velvet Liquid Lipstick, you can find the link in the description box below. Have you tried this product? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you won't miss any more reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.